model, 65-plate Ford Tourneo Custom 300 Limited E-Tech, minibus, long MOT. TSOR repair. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 165801. MOT, 28 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Engine is back pressuring oil, will need repairing or replacing. Worth getting this beauty back on the road. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.